Scanning documents is easy, but turning them into something you can actually use, that's where things get tricky. Today, we're comparing two popular tools, Wondershare, PDFelement, and Adobe Scan, to see which one works better depending on your needs.
Adobe Scan is primarily a mobile app designed for quick document scanning. You point your camera, it detects edges, enhances the image and converts it into a PDF. It also includes OCR, basic annotations, and easy sharing throughout Adobe's ecosystem. PDFelement, on the other hand, is a full PDF solution. It allows you to edit, convert, annotate, sign, organize, and extract data from PDFs on top of scanning and OCR.
So actually, in simple terms, Adobe Scan focuses on capturing documents, while PDFelement focuses on what you do after it.
When it comes to scanning, Adobe Scan is quick and intuitive. It automatically detects document edges and applies enhancements, making it great for fast, on-the-go use. PDFelement also offering scanning, both on mobile and desktop, and integrates it directly into broader workflow.
So both tools handle scanning well, but the real difference starts to show after the scan.
To make this comparison more practical, we tested both, using the same physical document. Adobe Scan does a good job with clear structured text. However, in more complex layouts or slightly imperfect scans, you may notice formatting errors. PDFelement, in this case, produced a more structured and cleaner output, especially when preserving layout and formatting.
So, while both tools support OCR, PDFelement seems to have an advantage when working with physical documents, particularly if accuracy and formatting are just important.
After OCR, editing is where the gap becomes more noticeable. With Adobe Scan, your options are mostly limited to viewing, sharing, and basics annotations. With PDFelement, you can directly edit text, adjust formatting, recognize pages, merge files, and convert PDFs into format like Word or Excel.
So instead of exporting and fixing things elsewhere, you can complete everything in one place.
Adobe Scan is extremely simple. Open the app, scan, and you're done. PDFelement offers more features, so there is a bit more to explore, but it's still designed to be user-friendly.
If you need just quick scans, Adobe Scan is enough, but if you regularly work with documents, PDFelement offers more flexibility.
Adobe Scan is free for basic use, but advanced features are tied to Adobe subscriptions. PDFelement is a paid tool, but it provides a more complete set of features in one platform.
Here is the takeaway. Use Adobe Scan for fast, simple scanning on your phone if you need accurate OCR and full control over your documents, especially when you're working with physical documents. PDFelement has a slight edge in output quality.
Both tools are useful, it just depends on what you need. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.